We're always talking about caring for our hair once it grows out of our scalp. But what if we could do something about it before it even comes through those follicles? Let me introduce you to collagen. Collagen Co specifically. I'm sure you're asking, what is collagen and why do we need it? Well, collagen is an essential protein that is responsible for healthy hair, healthy nails, healthy glowing skin, and even healthy joints. See, our body makes collagen naturally, but as you age, the production of collagen just naturally decreases. And with these depleting levels of collagen, that's how come you get wrinkly skin, dry, weak, thin hair, nails that are brittle and are always breaking. And before you say to me, well, I am 20, 35, or whatever the age you are, and I don't need collagen because I'm young. Well, wrong. Just about when we pass our 20s, our collagen levels start to diminish. And so the product that I'm introducing to you is pretty much essential for all of us. I have been including these premium collagen peptides from the Collagen Co in my daily routine, and I have not looked back. All you need is 2 scoops of this amazing product into your favorite beverage like your coffees, your teas, or even just a cool drink twice a day, and that's it. Now, what I like about this company is that they actually have 3 flavors for you to pick from. This brand actually includes 3 types of peptides within this goodie jar for maximum results and to encourage your body to make its own collagen. The supplement also contains vitamin C for easier absorption of the collagen. It also contains hyaluronic acid. And if you know anything about hyaluronic acid, it actually encourages hydration. And a familiar ingredient in here is biotin. We know that biotin is great for boosting the general health of your hair and even strengthening your hair. So go ahead and grab yours and start seeing amazing results with your hair, your nails, and your skin. And as usual, I've got you guys free shipping if you order right now with my code COILY-D. So refreshing. It actually tastes good.
Enough about collagen. Let's talk about these products from BRIOGEO that actually claim to repair the hair with only 2 uses. For anybody that knows anything about BRIOGEO, it is not cheap, guys. Okay? Let's be honest, this is a high-end luxury brand, and for that reason, I will be trying out their travel pack today. I spent my own coins on this, guys, and whether I receive products in PR or whether I buy them with my own money, you know I'll be here to give my absolute honest review about any product. Let's go. So this travel kit I got from Mecca, Australia, and it cost me about $53 for the entire pack. It contains the hydrating, moisturizing shampoo, the moisturizing conditioner, the deep conditioner, and also the strengthening oil. Now, I did get their Farewell Freeze blowout cream or heat protectant. However, I'll be trying that out in another video, so do stay tuned for that. I will also be trying the oil in another video, so there'll be a part 2 to this video. In this video today, I will only be trying out the shampoo, the rinse out conditioner, and also their deep conditioner. Now, this range is the Don't Despair Repair range. That's supposed to repair your hair from either heat damage or even chemical damage with only 2 uses, which I thought was amazing if possible. So yeah, we're gonna go straight ahead and try their shampoo. As you can see, it's quite creamy. It's got a very subtle scent to it, guys. I'm just showing you my postpartum shedding. It's still on. Can you believe it? Anyway, I went ahead and saturated my hair with water. At this particular stage, I hadn't washed my hair for about 6 weeks, so this hair is dirty. Okay. So I was pretty generous with the shampoo, but as you can see, I am not getting as much lather as I would like. Even if I went in quite a bit with the shampoo and tried to, you know, just work that shampoo in, you can see that I'm struggling to get a lot of lather. By the way, this shampoo, the rinse out conditioner, and the deep conditioner as well are only 59 mils. So in the travel kit, you only get 59 mils of product. which I realize is not enough for me to actually have 2 washes. I think this would just be something that I use once, especially for the conditioners. And also this shampoo is supposed to cleanse the hair and help to increase shine and just, you know, improve dry hair over time without stripping the hair. So it's supposed to cleanse the hair without stripping the hair, which as naturals we love. So I tried my best to work the shampoo in, but I decided to just go ahead and rinse it out and then reapply the shampoo because I really wasn't getting much lather and I felt like maybe my hair was not going to be clean. Upon rinsing my hair, it did feel nice and soft. It did not feel stripped at all, but since I'm gonna apply the shampoo again, I decided to reserve my final thoughts about it for after the second lather. And as you can see, guys, lather did not come to play. It really lathered well with the second application, and I believe that is because my hair was very dirty. It was dealing with a lot of gunk on the surface of my hair. So I really loved how this product lathered the second time around. Now, if you're going to get this product in the full size, you get about 473 mils and it will cost you about 65 Australian dollars. Yes, it is an investment, and what I like is although these products are expensive, you do get the option to, I think you can get some samples or even just like I did, get the travel pack and try it out before you can jump in and make a huge investment. I mean, if you use, you know, blow dryers or if you straighten your hair with flat irons often, this is probably a brand you really want to look into because it boasts to really just improve the health of your hair and, you know, repair and prevent damage overall. So after rinsing the shampoo out, my final thoughts on this super moisture repair, don't despair shampoo from BRIOGEO is that I like it. I really do. The shampoo is supposed to be a super moisture shampoo, and I didn't get that, maybe because I used 2 lathers or 2 applications, and my hair was pretty tangled and matted after the second application, probably because I didn't do a thorough detangle prior, so I'm not going to blame the brand. But when it comes to cleansing the hair, it really did a good job, and I believe that if I didn't have to use it twice, my hair wouldn't feel particularly stripped, which unfortunately or fortunately just depends what you're looking for in a shampoo. My hair did feel really squeaky clean. Next up, we're trying the Super Moisture Conditioner, and this one is also quite lightly scented. It's quite a thick conditioner, although I've used thicker conditioners. And on application, it felt just like any other conditioner, to be honest. It did feel like it was smoothing my hair, but it didn't feel revolutionary, if you know what I mean. However, okay, after 2 minutes, my hair was feeling like butter. It did say to wait for 2 minutes before rinsing it out, and I did do that. And I had to stop and pause for a minute to see what ingredients are in this product. And it turns out glycerin is like number 2 on the list. It has some argan oil and panthenol, you know, great ingredients in there. However, this product apparently is supposed to help reduce breakage, improve the health of your hair, improve elasticity, and just, you know, visibly really reduce breakage within 2 uses, guys. And I will be brave and go straight ahead and say I have never used a rinse out conditioner that felt this good. Like butter, guys. It was so soft. My hair was so smooth and buttery to touch. For people that don't have time to deep condition their hair all the time, I definitely recommend. As you can see, my curls were popping. It was so lovely to just, play in my hair. The downside of the travel pack, it was not enough. Well, I guess it was enough for one use, but you know how we are as naturals. A bit heavy-handed. So yeah, I definitely used all the product available in the travel kit. I had a little bit left with the shampoo, but for the conditioners, everything was used up. So if you really want to see the effects of this, it looks like you have to buy the actual full sizes of these products. However, just with one use, as I am showing you guys in this video, I am loving what this brand has to offer. Let's see how my hair feels after a rinse. Ladies, I am glad to report that the product delivered. My hair was still soft after rinsing out the conditioner, which is rare, really. A lot of the times the products that we use, they only feel nice while they're still on the hair. Once you rinse the hair out, the hair just feels as it did before. If at all, just a little bit better, but not this good. My hair still felt super soft, super smooth. I loved how it looked. I feel like it had a bit of shine and was a little bit more elastic, but you guys let me know. But I can definitely say the feel of the hair was beautiful. Again, this product, if you're going to get it in the full size, that's 473 mils, you will have to part away with 65 Australian dollars. I think it's worth it, especially for people that do not wash their hair weekly. If you're a monthly washer or every few weeks, this can definitely work as a staple, especially if you do not like to deep condition your hair for hours and hours on end. Okay. Let's get into the last product, which is the deep conditioner. No, but seriously, can you see that shine? The softness. You have to try this. On to our final product for the day, and this is the deep conditioning mask. This one I was really looking forward to because it's actually an award-winning product, guys. It costs about $65 for 237 mils. However, you can get larger amounts if you like. I have used AG Boost in the past and it suds up just like this deep conditioner. And I don't know about you, but I mean, it's all right to have a deep conditioner kind of suds up, but it kind of gives me shampoo vibes. Of course, I finished every last drop of it. It was not enough. So once again, just buy the full product if you want to really try it for a couple of times before you make your decision. When I put it on my hair did feel soft, but not as soft as the rinse out conditioner. Now, the instructions did say to leave it on for 10 minutes and the hair was super soft after the 10 minutes. Beautiful melting tangles. I felt like I could finger detangle my hair better. And yeah, generally I loved how the product felt after 10 minutes on my hair. When I rinsed it out, however, it kind of did not feel as hydrated or as silky and soft as I hoped it would. I'm not sure if it has got to do with the fact that I had just used the rinse out conditioner, so maybe my hair was already feeling the best it could, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I didn't really get any difference in the feel. So if you are going to try this, I would encourage you to use it separately. Don't use the rinse out conditioner and the deep conditioner at the same time, because it probably will give you just the same, you know, feel or result, if you know what I mean. When it comes to the scent of the deep conditioning mask, I was not particularly fazed by it. I find it to be very subtle and I didn't mind it. I've seen a few videos where people say that they didn't like the smell. I didn't mind. So that's everything, guys, with regards to BRIOGEO's Don't Despair Repair range, excluding the blowout and the strengthening oil, which I'll be trying out in a different video, so stay tuned for that one. All in all, I would definitely recommend. I really do think these products are worth a try for us curlies or coily haired girls, because we suffer a lot of damage due to manipulation, heat, or whatever the case. So do try it out. I'll see you in the next video.